Hold on. Oh man, that's a big old fat one. Look at the size of that sucker. Look how fat that thing is. Oh, come here. Woo! Alright guys, we are at my new favorite fishing hole. Before I even get started here, I am not an expert, so if I identify a fish, I really don't care if you try to correct me. I don't care. It's a fish. It's a trout. Whether it's a brook trout or a rainbow or a brown, I could care less. A trout is a trout to me. It all eats the same. So I never claimed to be an expert, but I just like making videos. So get that out in the open. And I am at a location that I was asked not to really put it out there for everybody because it's kind of a private lake. If you know where I'm at, keep it kind of, not really, I don't just keep it quiet, but don't really go out and say, hey, he's at this location. But we are out here today. I had a really good successful day yesterday. We are going to be using power bait on the bottom and see what happens. Garlic. There was a fish just jumped over there. Garlic, rainbow power bait is what I'm using. That's probably a little bit much. Get rid of that little chunk. There we go. And I will throw this one out there for Eden over here.
I saw another fish moving around.
And get him set up.
Big.
Maybe.
It's bigger than Cedar Lakes.
This is about the same size as the small lake at Cedar Lakes.
Huh. I do know our pond is way smaller than this.
Yeah, our pond is like
half of this.
Not even half.
It might be from that cattail, like all the way over there to like where I am right now. To like that side.
Here, look here. I've got one.
Dude, I don't know that.
Yep, it's coming back toward me. Ready?
Yep.
First one of the day.
Yep.
Get the net.
Is that a goldfish?
Get the net. Yep, it's a golden.
Fishy, get in the net. Fish. There.
Nice. Golden trout. Look at that. There was only 4 put in here.
You're pretty.
4 golden trout put in here, and there's one of them. All right, walk it over to the bath of the cooler. Slide the cooler up.
Where?
I got a fish. I got a fish.
Ouch. Let's not do it. What in the world? I'm being attacked.
There we go.
Another one? What are you using?
Oh man, he's running hard. I'm using the same thing you are. Get the net.
I'm telling you, if I catch the fish while I catch the net, I'm on my own. Is that another
You
one?
are getting a bite. Wait. Don't. Look down at your line. There you go. Something's happening. Stop. You're wrapped around the end of your reel.
I am?
Your line is all screwed up right here.
How?
Because when you pulled it up, it got hooked on the thing. Now, I don't think you have a fish.
Oh.
You may have bumped it when you were getting the net. Just stop. Let it drop. Open the cooler.
I'm gonna get the fishy in it.
No, you don't have to net it. You don't have to net it.
I want to. It's fine. Get in there. Use a bunch of blood.
There's two.
I have not caught one because I keep on getting distracted.
I think you're bumping your pole, and I'm thinking you're getting bites, and you're not.
Probably that. The bottom of my legs are sweaty.
All right, who's going to be the next one to catch fish, me or you?
You.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be you.
Maybe.
Yep, you're getting a bite. Get right. Wait. Don't get too excited. Take it. You're hooked down on the bottom. You're hooked on the toolbox. Hold on. You're wrapped all around the bobber again. Stop. Reel.
Oh, it's still on there. Still in there. Nope, I lost it.
Well, you got to reel it in. No, it's still in there.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get it. Reel it in.
Get my fishy.
Hold on, stop.
Wait, is that a rainbow?
Where's the net?
Over here, it's green.
Yeah. Hold on. You're going to break the line. Don't break the line.
I think it's green.
That's a little tiny thing. Crap. Here. Take this.
So what is it about?
I've got one.
Again?
Yep. Come on, look over here.
Ooh, big fish.
Yeah, that's a fat one, isn't it?
Yep.
Broke my line. Oh man, that's a big old fat one. Look at the size of that sucker.
That's 6 right
Look
there.
how fat that thing is. Oh, come here. Woo! Look here. Here we go. See the bobber going down? Now it's coming back up. And get the line. There we go.
I cast the same spot you did. How am I not catching anything?
I don't know. Ooh, this thing is feisty. Come on. He does not want to come in. He's running like crazy. Goodness. I don't think I've had one fight me like this before. Get the net.
Go away.
Eden, calm down.
It's biting me.
Get over there in the hole, the same spot. I'm going to bring it right up in that little... Get it. All right. Sweet.
Good for you. I don't got nothing.
You'll get one.
I'm gonna let you catch some of mine too. Mine just went up. Mine's shaking.
You probably have a fish. Just wait a second. Yep, you got a fish.
Really?
Do you?
No, I have
Then
one.
stop.
I have one.
Are you kidding me?
What?
I put that in there to see if it would float, and look what I caught.
That's one for me.
Stupid bluegill.
Put it in the cooler.
I'm not putting no bluegill in the cooler. Come get it. Fish! There we go. Another golden. Another golden. It's a nice golden. Check it out, guys. Another nice golden. Sweet. Another one for the box.